Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, remote engine start, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.